Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about 9 ways to protect your iPhones from hackers. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open your settings, head into general, head into software update, and make sure that your iOS is always updated. The second thing is going to be by using a strong passcode and biometrics. Set a complex alphanumeric passcode rather than a 4-digital PIN and use Face ID or Touch ID. Also enable two-factor authentication, so protect your Apple ID by requiring code for sign-ins on new devices. And the other thing you need to do is simply go ahead and turn on your stolen devices protection. So in order to go ahead and do that, simply go ahead and open your settings. And once you are inside of your settings, what you need to do is simply go ahead and head into the stolen device protection. That is going to be searched right over here. So stolen device protection, enable with your password right over here, and just turn that on as well, just like that. And the other thing you want to do is review app permissions. So head into settings, privacy and security to revoke access to your camera, microphone, or location for apps that don't need them. Also, you can simply go ahead and regularly check your device management, avoid the suspicious links and applications. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.